Hi, this is Justin from Tech65 and today we are here at the Nikon One launch, and today we have here the Nikon One V1 with us, and it's pretty much the same as the in terms of feature set and everything. It's pretty much the same as the Nikon One J1, which we did the first look for in the previous video. You can view our Nikon One J1 video to cover some of the features of the V1, but more importantly, in this video, we want to show you what the differences are. And today we have here William with us from Nikon to show us or tell us more about what the differences between the V1 and the J1. So William, can you tell us what are some of the major differences between the J1 and the V1?
So one of the biggest difference between the Nikon One V1 and the Nikon One J1 is the body design. The Nikon One V1 has a magnesium alloy body, whereas the Nikon One J1 has a polycarbonate body. And the other big difference that you will notice is that you have a hot shoe available on the Nikon One V1 that allows you to attach a external flash, external speedlight, the SB-N5. Also at the same time, the hot shoe can be used to attach a GPS unit, the GP-100. The next difference that you notice is the viewfinder. The Nikon One V1 has an electronic viewfinder, and this viewfinder has a resolution of 1.44 million dots. So with a resolution so high, what you see through the electronic viewfinder is actually very close to what you see through an optical viewfinder. The last difference that you'll notice is the mechanical shutter that's built into this camera. This camera has an electronic shutter as well as a mechanical shutter. So to toggle between the two shutter modes, all you need to do is to press the feature button. You get an option with mechanical and electronic. So with mechanical shutter mode, when you fire off, you hear the mechanical shutter in action. If you toggle it to the electronic mode, this will be using the electronic shutter and allows you to fire up to 60 frames per second. So the electronic shutter is actually very good if you don't want any vibration when you are using this camera, because the shutter it's actually using the sensor as the shutter itself.
And that's it for the Nikon One V1 and the differences between the Nikon One V1 and the J1. Lots of interesting differences, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you very much for watching.